It's another hot day today, but you know what's awesome? Check this guy out. This guy is me when I am 90 years old. Well guys, what do we do on a really hot day? We go get more hot coffee because we're out of it. There's my favorite store, Trader Joe's. Let's go. Good old Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's. Let me show you some top quality picks. Trader Joe's Very Green Drink. A little pricey, $4.49, but goes in my belly nicely. Let me show you something that will grow. Well, free coffee. That's why I love Trader Joe's. So I went in for coffee. I came out with $35 worth of groceries. But this stuff right here, organic flax oil. This will give you muscles. Not really. This is great for you, but it's also good for the body. Good for the mind, good for the body, baby. This stuff will grow your hair. Look at me right here. Look at that full head of hair. I'm looking like Brad Pitt with that hair right there. If you guys are ever wondering where I live, see that big hill in front of you? See that big gigantic house on the top? Well, I live behind it. One day, my friend. One day. So guys, that's what I love. Walk into the Crizzy and guess what? You turn the corner and bam! Literally, door, bam! Up the stairs, man. Look at that. Who is that good looking guy right there? I'll tell you what, right there. That's slap your mama good looks right there. Alright guys, well the coffee's brewing. I want to show you something that's really dear to my heart here, right here in the corner. This is actually my grandfather's camera. Let me tell you a little backstory on it. This is an old school camera. I'm talking one of the originals right here. Just an amazing still camera, and the awesome story behind this, he actually took this camera all the way through his trips to Ethiopia with my grandmother. They were missionaries in Ethiopia. This has been all over the world. I believe the UK, Ethiopia, other parts of Africa, oh goodness, all over the United States. I have slides and slides for days that my grandmother gave me. She's still living. She is 93 years old. God bless her heart. My dad found this old school tripod stand at a garage sale, and I thought, hey, perfect. I'm going to go ahead and just stick this in the corner for a little amazing little decoration piece. One day, I'll put together a little slideshow. We'll take a look at some of those photos. Just amazing. My grandfather really had an eye for the camera. Who knows, maybe my grandfather's work will come alive, you know, resurrect, and who knows, maybe we'll have an art show with my grandfather's photos. Wow, great idea. Thank you for that, great idea. Well guys, we're taking care of a little bit of business right over here. We got our coffee right over here. We got a little camera equipment right here, but you know what I'm saying? You can't sit all day. You can't be working on the computer dibble-dabble, you know what I'm saying? You got to get up and you got to hit this right here. That is called the Iron Gym, baby. Let's do some reps. So about every hour, get up, do some reps, sit back down, do some more work. Your mind will be focused, your energy, you'll get the pump, you know what I'm saying? So let's hit 30. Whoa, 30. Guys, now we're on our way to the gun range. We're going to meet up with some buddies, go plank some targets.
You want to shoot the one? Bite down on it. We're going to touching it because I want it to be able to fall free.
So far, this thing's shooting the heck out of What?
8-pound hole? That's not a lot. People can grip in the floor.
So this one's Brent. He killed the hostage. Big Sea Dog put one right between his eyeballs. That's what I'm talking about. Man, that was super awesome. Definitely dug that. Let's move on to the next epic activity.
Yeah, Bobo. Play.
Time to eat, baby. Let's do this.
This time again next year.
So this is a really steep hill coming down. Look at that edge right there. Beautiful. There's the restaurant there over to the right. Here's the view coming down the hill, driving down. A really cool restaurant. Wow, guys, what a beautiful night. I mean, just delicious food, delicious people, delicious gun shop, gun range. My hand still smells like a little bit of gunpowder, but hey, that's okay. That's okay, baby, because we're living the dream. Remember, guys, always be awesome. Carpe Diem. God bless you, protect you, and remember to live the dream. Be good, guys. I'll see you on the next Fly Circuit later. Ow!